So let's look at these two questions. Our 10th one, you will take one as a kind of classwork, which you do on your own. Let's say question one, x is distributed as baloney 0.7 in brackets. And number two, x is distributed as what? Baloney 0.8 in brackets. For these two questions, we have to find one, p, x equals to 0. Two, expectation of x. Three, variance of x. I told you this one means mean. Are you with me? This is the symbol for mean. And variance, this VAR means variance. Then this is what we call standard deviation. So I will attempt number one, you will attempt number two. And after doing it, you can send it down to me. Let me see if you're actually right or wrong. Now, you should remember that I said Baloney distribution is written in shorthand as x distributed as BER into P. Are you with me? That's what I so and whatever you have as your P, you have inside the bracket is now your P. So I can now say that for question number one now, my P will now be what you have in the bracket here, 0.7. That's probability of success. Now, what the question has also find is to find P x equals to 0. Don't forget I told us that if your P equals to 1, it's probability of success. So this one is our P now. This is our P1. That is 0.7. So what we asked to find is P x equals to 0. That means we have to find probability of failure. So what am I saying? I'm now saying P plus Q equals to 1. So therefore, what's my Q? Q will be 1 minus P. I've told you in the last video. Now that will be equals to 1 minus 0.7. That will give us 0.3. So therefore, our Px equals to 0, which also stands for Q, will now be what? 0.3. That's the solution to that question.